Are you ready, boy? It's time you learned how to fish for crocs. They like it when you use live bait. And you're as live as they come. Oh, you get a line, I'll get a pole, matey. You get a line, I'll get a pole, friend. Oh, you get a line, I'll get a pole. We'll go fishing in the crocodile hole, buddy. That's right, baby. Supper time.
It don't look good, Miss B. I can't see any way out of this one.
Oh, Bernard, please hurry.
Hello, Moon. Now, this is my idea of fun. Hey! Nothing personal, boy, but I wouldn't want to disappoint the Rangers. They was looking so hard for you, and now they're gonna find you. What the blazes is going on here? Joanna! Did you know there was a razorback in my truck? Did you? Did you? There was a razorback in my truck! Now you quit playing around and do your job, you four-legged python. Hey, what happened to them keys? Must be around here somewhere. They couldn't just get up and walk away. Something weird's going on around here. I smell a big fat rat.
It's Bernard!
I don't believe it. Way to go, mate!
Miss Bianca, Jake, catch! Whoa!
Yeah, there's more than one way to skin a cat.
Oh my gosh! I hope I know what I'm doing.
Joanna! Joanna! You stupid little... Get off of me! You idiot! Get off of me! No! No! Quit!
You're not the boy!
No, get back! Yeah. Get away! Get away! Get away! Ah! I whooped you! I whooped you all! You'll think twice before messing with Percival C. McLeach!
Don't give up, Cody! There! Come on, Miss B!